Hi, trumpet player. Do you want to learn how to play pedal tones on trumpet? If you do, you're in the right place. First, I want to tell you that you should know how to bend your notes on trumpet. And if you don't know how to do that, we talked about that in the last video. So I'll link to that video right here in the cards to make it easy for you to find. So the first tip I have for you is to bend your notes down the fourth, starting on C below the staff. So you're going to bend your notes from C down to G and return back to C. Now, to get this in your ear at first, you can play the note as usual with the regular fingering, but then you're going to do it again without the proper fingering. I'll demonstrate what I mean. So now that you have that in your ear, you're going to play it again, but this time play it with G open, no vowels. And so what you'll do is you'll continue with that pattern through all 7 positions. I'll do another one for you, starting on B natural. And so that's a great warm-up. That's a great introduction. That's a great prep to get you ready to play your long tones. And now you understand why I believe it's really helpful to be able to bend your notes. And so from here, you can take any number of approaches to get to the pedal register. One of my favorite things to do is to play arpeggios in the staff, but descend gradually to take me into the pedal register. So one simple thing I like to do is just play a descending major chord starting on C in the staff. Now it can be helpful to do this 2 octaves so that you have one set, so that you're not taking the mouthpiece off of your face. You can also do that tongue. You can also play the same arpeggio tongue. It can be helpful to do that. Another pattern that I like to play is 1, major 7, 5, minor 3rd, back to 1, and do that 2 octaves. I'll show you what I mean. And then you will continue that as far down as you can go. Now, if you feel like that might be a little too advanced for you, or if you feel like you're not getting the note in your ear, we can simplify that significantly by playing 2 notes. 1 note in the regular trumpet register, and then an octave below. It'll look and sound like this. Now the lowest note on trumpet is F sharp, all 3 vowels. If you want to enter the pedal register, it can be easier to bend down to the F natural. Now, this is a good thing to do if this is all brand new to you, but as soon as you're able, you want to get off of the false fingering and play the regular fingering. So naturally, F is first valve. If I was going to play this F. Well, if I'm going to play it in the pedal register, it's also the same fingering. It's easier to play these pedal notes with false fingerings. You can play almost anything with all 3 valves down, or any false fingering. But as quickly as possible, you want to get to the natural fingering. Before I share the next tip with you, I want to invite you to join the Trumpet Lessons HQ email list, because it's there that I share additional tips and advice that I don't always share on YouTube. And if you join now, I'm going to also give you a gift, which is the Trumpet Player's Checklist of books and tools, so that you can jumpstart your practice sessions. The link to join the email list is below in the comments section. Now, here's yet another way that you can approach the pedal register, and it's through the lead pipe. So if you didn't know, most lead pipes on the B-flat trumpet will sound at approximately an F. I'm talking trumpet pitch. All right. So what you can do is get your reference pitch on the trumpet. I'll play it right here. Take out your tuning slide. So what you want to do is play that pitch down the octave on the lead pipe, and that will get your face and embouchure in the set for the pedal register. All right, once you feel pretty comfortable with that on the lead pipe, go ahead and put your tuning slide back in. And now you should be able to go straight to that F natural in the pedal register. All right, how did you do with that? So now you have a couple of different approaches to help you get into the pedal register. You can buzz the lead pipe to get the face set for the register, and then put the tuning slide back in and play your note. You can also bend notes from low F sharp down and beyond. You can also play arpeggios in the staff and then descend to the pedal register. Now, two of my favorite books that address this are Flexus by Laurie Frank and John McNeil, and also Systematic Approach to Trumpet Playing by Claude Gordon. I'll include a link to both of these books in the comment section below. If you missed the first part of this lesson, you can watch it now, or you can continue your learning with another video, and I'll be there to help you. Thanks a lot.